Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to review Moomoo trading app. Moomoo is a global trading app that allows users to trade more than 26,000 US, Australian and Hong Kong stocks and ETFs, and it now includes fractional shares, recurring investments and options trading. The platform provides real-time market data, free US level 2 tap, and continuous financial news from sources like Bloomberg and Dow Jones. It focuses on low-cost trading by offering US trades at 99 cents per trade, competitive exchange rates, and no subscription, deposit, and withdrawal or account keeping fees. Users can access advanced tools such as 24 hours extended trading, over 10 order types, comprehensive charting tools, stock screeners, dividend analysis features, and customizable investment plans. The app also includes AI-powered insights, institutional and insider tracking, analyst ratings, financial visualizations, and a full earnings hub with a calendar. Customer support is available through live chat 24 hours a day on weekdays, with option for phone and email assistance. The service is offered in Australia and New Zealand by Moomoo Securities Australia Ltd. Regulated by ASIC, and users are encouraged to review all disclosure documents and policies before using the app. Here we will see its reviews on the Google Play Store. With a strong 4.5-star rating on the Google Play Store, users generally describe Moomoo as a powerful, feature-rich trading app that feels professional yet easy to use. Many appreciate its real-time data, advanced charting tools, and low-cost trading options, saying it offers analyst-level insights without needing extra subscriptions. Users also highlight the smooth interface and reliable performance, especially during market hours. A few note that the wide range of tools can feel overwhelming at first, but most agree that once you get used to it, the app becomes one of the most comprehensive trading platforms available for everyday investors. If you want to use the app, then download and open it. After that, you can log in or sign up for your account. Then verify your information or leave it for now. You will get $0 equity options contract fees, advanced orders types, and 13 options strategies, and free real-time level 2 data for funded accounts. In the watch list tab, you will find different cryptocurrencies. You will get crypto, stocks, options, ETFs, and overview options in the More tab. You can visit your Moomoo profile in the Me tab. In the More tab, you will see insights, news, Moomoo AI, and community. Overall, Moomoo offers a highly powerful and reliable trading experience with advanced tools at a great value. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.